Congratulations.
हाँ जी, हाँ जी.
It's been a couple
Thank
of
you.
days जब से since you've returned. Has the feeling now finally sunk in that you've been one of the major heroes of this really very historic series, test series win?
Yeah, I think everything is just sinking in, especially with the time off with the family helped me to sink everything in, because I don't want to keep thinking about the same thing because there's a new series coming up. So yes, feeling very happy after a long time, I guess.
Yeah. Lekin Rishabh, really, what was your mindset when you went into the test series? Because white ball teams में आप नहीं थे, so that you had lost your place there. But going into the test series, I mean, what did you tell yourselves? आपका क्या generally thinking था?
See, as an individual point of view, so I lost my spot in the one day and T20. Then I thought that I should focus on the controllables, that I'm in test team now. I have to focus in playing all the 4 matches and all. So I was giving myself good time in the gym. I was training hard. I was practicing very nicely. So my whole focus was how can I do much better from here? How can I improve myself each and every day over there? That's the only thing was running into my mind. Yeah.
But
So
you've been to Australia and you've played cricket there before, the series before. So, what did you tell yourself? Did that give you confidence because you'd scored runs in the previous series in Australia?
yes, I think that gives me confidence that I've gone there and did well in the last series. But I didn't think about that too much. I was only focusing on myself and my cricket. How can I improve myself and my cricket? So the mindset was clear that I need to improve each and every day. I need to make use of the days, because we went there together one day in T20 side and we had enough time to prepare. So I was putting myself onto the furnace so I can become better.
But Rishabh, every series, honestly, is a learning experience. You've been to England, Australia. You've experienced a lot of highs and lows. What was the lesson that you've learned from this series, basically?
दोनों सीरीज में सेम एक्सपीरियंस था, because एंड ऑफ द डे each and every day when I go out there to represent India, the thought process is same कि I have to win matches for the team India. That's the only thing I'm focusing on each and every day when I'm there.
लॉकडाउन के बाद फिटनेस पे आपने बहुत फोकस किया आईपीएल के दौरान, लेकिन अपनी बैटिंग और कीपिंग पे किस तरह से आपने मतलब वो बैलेंस कैसे लाई तीनों चीजों में? आपके तो मल्टीपल रोल्स हैं.
I've been playing cricket since 17-18 years now at least. So when I was in class first I've started playing cricket. तो इतना practice करा है मेरे को लगता है 15-18 years में. तो वो अगर आप 5-7 months अगर नहीं भी खेलते तो वो practice stays inside you. That's what I think. And बाकी improve होना है तो मेरे को लगता है उसकी कोई limitation नहीं है. आप कितने भी अच्छे हो, आप improve होने के लिए देख रहे हो तो you can do much better.
विकेट कीपिंग पे उतना ध्यान दे पाए थे आप, क्योंकि मैचेस भी बहुत खेलने होते हैं, काफी टफ होता है, बैक टू बैक मैचेस होते हैं, आईपीएल का शेड्यूल हेक्टिक होता है और फिर सीधा सीरीज में जा रहे हैं आप, तो मतलब वो बैलेंस अपनी विकेट कीपिंग और बाकी चीजों में कैसे लाए?
वो थोड़ा टाइम डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करना होता है कि कभी बैटिंग आज कम करी, कीपिंग ज्यादा कर ली. कभी होता है कि आज ट्रेनिंग ज्यादा कर ली, बैटिंग कीपिंग कम करी. तो दैट्स अ बैलेंस एवरीवन हैज टू फाइंड कि जिसका जो रोल है. लाइक मेरे को 3 रोल है, तो फिटनेस, अगर फिटनेस करनी है, बैटिंग करनी है और कीपिंग करनी है. सो हर रोज तीनों सेम तरीके से नहीं हो सकता. कभी ट्रेनिंग ज्यादा होती है, कभी कीपिंग ज्यादा होती है, तो कभी बैटिंग ज्यादा होती है. So as an individual, I think everyone has to distribute the time among their things.
आपने क्या बोला अपने आप को? क्या बहुत प्रेशर फील हो रहा था?
इतना खराब मेरे हिसाब से गया नहीं था जितना लगा, बट क्योंकि इतने टाइम के बाद मैचेस खेल रहा था ऑस्ट्रेलिया में, थोड़ा बाउंस अलग था. तो प्रैक्टिस आप कितनी भी कर लो, वो मैच में एक अलग नर्वस होता है बंदा. तो ये सब चीजें कंसिडरेशन में थी और अंदर से मैं कॉन्फिडेंट था कि मैं अच्छा करूंगा. बट वो थोड़ा सा प्रेशर होता है, थोड़ा इतने टाइम के बाद क्रिकेट खेलने के लिए मिली, क्योंकि 1 मंथ का गैप था बीच में मैचेस नहीं खेला क्योंकि मैच का प्रेशर अलग होता. But I think end of the day it came well. After that I was in much more better space of mind.
When you missed out on your century, how terrible did you feel?
I was feeling very bad because I didn't think about the century. I was thinking about the match. So I was thinking that century is fine, but I could have won the match from that point of view of the match, because we had the match in the graphs when me and Pujibai was playing. I thought I missed my century, but I was more thinking about if we could have won the match from here, it would be much more different thing. So that was more heartbreaking for me than missing 100.
Yeah. Tell me one thing. Everybody's been talking about, spoken to Ajinkya and spoken to Ravi Shastri, Bharat Arun, and all that. When you in the second innings of the Brisbane Test, when there was just 60 odd runs left, when Washington Sundar came in, and after tea, basically, Rahane is a calm kinds. बोला कि आराम से देखेंगे, result मत सोचना. But you had your own plans. What point did you decide कि भाई मैं chase कर सकता हूँ और करूँगा?
The plan was that only ki just play your normal cricket, let the game unfold itself, let's see what happens. So I was not thinking too much कि जीतना है और ये करना है. I was in frame of mind कि back of the mind I knew कि मैच तो जीतना है, because from the starting only of the first day I was thinking कि मैच जीतना है. So it was there on my back of the mind, and I was just playing normal cricket. I didn't try to do many different things. I was just giving myself enough time to stay there in the crease. And yes, everything happened because I think because the way we were planning things went good for us, I think.
Okay, when you saw the way Chiteshwar Pujara was getting hit on the body, he took 11 hits literally, and just kept one end, rock solid. Did that give you the freedom to kind of still go for, play your shots confidently, or try to rotate more strikes or go for more runs? How did it feel like with Chitaj? How is it like batting with Chiteshwar at the other end?
It's good because I've been batting with him for a long time now, because most of the time we get to play the role together. So when he was getting the hit, I was thinking in my mind that what kind of commitment this person has, man. Even after playing for so many years, he's getting the hit and he's still standing there doing his job. So that's a kind of environment we have created in the team, I think, so that no matter what, we have to stick there and believe in yourself. That's what I think. And it's been amazing seeing him from the non-strike and being determined, standing there. It was like woe to me. I can say that he was doing a fantastic job for us in the match.
So you yourself are very young, and it's but to play a senior role to somebody like when Washington Sundar came in, to calm him down, to keep him like not to try too many things. Can you talk about that a little bit?
I think when I'm batting, I'm very proactive. I keep on talking to the non-striker person on, because I like to appreciate the cricket. That's what I do most of the time. If someone is leaving the good balls, defending well, I just keep on saying, well done, good defense, well left, and all those things. So all those things keep me motivated also and keep me in the game too much. So I want that. So in this way, I can keep myself more involved in the game. So when Washi came, he was pumping and he was saying, Macha, what should we do? Either I have to hit and all. I told him, chill, take a chill pill, because one of us has to anchor the inning. And he said, Macha, you tell me what to do. Manika, either you have to decide, because both of us wanted to go for the win. So I told him, either you go for the run or I have to go. So I told him that first I go. Then he said, no, I'll go. You anchor the inning. And that's how it all started. I think so.
Do you remember something that really really you felt really good about, जो मैच के बाद किसी ने रवि शास्त्री या जिनके ने या सीनियर प्लेयर्स ने किसी ने आपको कुछ बोला हो, अच्छा, जो आपको दिल को छुआ, like which you will always remember, any moment that you remember कि सब कुछ hazy है, आपको लग रहा है अभी भी जो हुआ बाद में?
When we won the match, I was standing there and everyone was rushing towards me, and I was like, I had no idea कि क्या हुआ. मैच जीत गए. मैच जीतने का ही सोच रहे थे, मैच जीत गए, but everyone was coming ऐसे. So I was in the moment. I don't know what I did. I was just standing there. Everyone was jumping around and all, and I was seeing कि भाई कुछ तो अच्छा हुआ है आज लग रहा है.
और ये बहुत
ऐसे
नई
करके.
फीलिंग थी आपको. आई मीन कभी ऐसा पहले भी महसूस हुआ है, पहले पहले कभी और भी किसी सीरीज में, कि दिस इज लाइक अ यूनिक एक्सपीरियंस फॉर यू?
This was one of my biggest moment in my life. ऐसे मतलब सीरीज में मैच जिताना और ऐसे सीरीज डिसाइडर मैच जिताना, वो भी आउटसाइड इंडिया, was a different feeling for me. So I think this is one of the best moment in my life since I played cricket.
The way the Aussies were bowling short, and some of the, I mean, they were bowling into the body and all. Tell me, what were the thoughts running in your mind at that time? I mean, like the kind of tactics they applied, they were getting frustrated, they were tired also. So, what did you make of their bowling at that time, or tactics at that time?
I think we have been practicing so well with Raghu and our bowlers, and so we know that what they can do or what they don't do. So we have planned out everything. We have been practicing well in the nets and all. So I think so we were prepared for everything, and that came off well, especially with the throwers in our team. They just fire, I think, different bowling from their sticks and all. So we are practicing short balls and everything, and as a team, like we thought that we're gonna play normal cricket. We don't have to think too much about that what they want to do. We were more focused on what we want to do as a team.
Rishabh, you've been involved in other big series also, in the Test series and all, against England and then Australia. Now this series, what is it that you found so different about this series, that it, we kept losing our players to injuries? There was no Virat, who's our main batsman, and our frontline bowlers kept getting injured. So, matlab, what was it different about this series which really brought the team together, or you all executed your plans so well?
I think it was difficult for everyone because once Virat Bhai left, everyone was saying what will happen. Then Shami Bhai got injured and all. So there were so many things happening, but end of the day, it was an opportunity also for someone else to do something good for the team. So this is the time, because they've been doing the same thing for like 5-10 years now. So it was the opportunity for other people to stand up and help the team to win the match. So I was looking it as an opportunity, because if your main players are not in the team or they got injured, then someone is getting the opportunity to win a match for the India. You won't get a better time to win a match for India.
But did you get to sleep at all the night before the last day of the match? I mean, did you kind of, how did you switch off, or what was it like the night before the fifth day of the Gaba test?
So no, I slept well. I think so. I keep on thinking that I just have to behave normal. I have to be positive. That's the only thing I keep reminding myself. That keep believing in yourself. That's the only thing.
And
Otherwise, I was fine. Yeah.
did you, I mean, somebody like Ajinkya is very different leader. He's very cool, quiet. So, I mean, anything that he said or you said to him after the series was won, or in the dressing room?
Everyone was so emotional. Everyone was enjoying. That was the best part. सबको मतलब injured इतने लोग, ऐसी series, everyone, I can see that everyone was just so happy. I don't know what we were talking, but we were so happy. That's the only thing I remember right now. किसने क्या बोला I don't remember, but ये मेरे को याद है कि everyone was so happy. We were so happy after so long, man. Especially the start, the way we started the inning. Oh, sorry, the series, the way we started the series, it was difficult for us, and come back like that was something different. And I can see the joy of tears in everyone's eyes, man. It was something different, man.
But Rishabh, how easy or difficult? I know Coach Sridhar and even Bharat Arun have spoken and told us that 36 all out hua, but we just had to move on, forget that and move on, start it as a 3-match series. But how easy or difficult was it for players?
Sometimes it's difficult also because you keep thinking about the same thing that we got all out on 36 and all. But I think we coped with that really well because we thought that we have been working so hard for so many years. One day can't define us or one match can't define us. We need to fight back, show some grit and all. That's the only thing. We all were determined to do well. I think so.
To get over the tiredness, exhaustion, and दूसरा कि अपने जो थोड़ा बहुत आपको लगता है कि जो आपने वर्क करना है अपने विकेट कीपिंग पे, या एक टाइम नहीं मिलता है सीरीज के बीच में, इतना आसान नहीं होता है टू बी एबल टू डू इट फॉर एनी इंटरनेशनल क्रिकेटर, तो आप इससे कैसे मैनेज करेंगे फिर अपना, आई मीन हाउ
जाके पता लगेगा कैसे मैनेज होगा अभी. हाउ कैन आई से राइट नाउ. अभी 2 दिन घर आए हुए हैं.
हाँ,
आज ट्रेनिंग भी करने चले गया मैं. अभी क्या क्या डिसाइड करूं 4 दिन में. यू कैन कीप रिमेम्बरिंग योरसेल्फ कि भाई अच्छा करना है. यू नीड टू इम्प्रूव. क्या ऐड कर सकता अपने गेम में. यू हैव टू थिंक अबाउट दैट एंड बी पॉजिटिव and go on play the series.
And also one last thing I want to ask you about is ki this Australia series, what was the most, I mean, I know the winning moment is everybody is talking about that, but for you personally, which was the most important and most cherished moment for you during this entire series?
How can you ask this question, man?
नहीं,
I think the last shot which I played was.
सभी बोल रहे हैं, but I mean there have been so many.
यार मेरे लिए भी तो वही है ना. सभी तो बोल रहे तो सच्ची में वही है.
अच्छा. And
हाँ जी.
हाँ. So was that 1 hour? Did you feel like you were in a zone or something like that? I mean, did you
when I'm in the ground, I'm in my zone. I don't know what's happening around me. I'm too focused inside the game. तो ये तो रोज का काम है कि फोकस अगर ग्राउंड के अंदर पहुंच गए तो फोकस उधर ही है.
हाँ, ठीक है.
आप कहाँ से आपके लिए दूसरी मोमेंट में बोलूं यार.
नहीं पता ना, इसीलिए मैं पूछ.
हाँ, एक हुआ था, दुख हुआ था जब 97 पे आउट हो गया था. खुशी तो नहीं हुई थी.
अच्छा, मतलब how did you get over it then?
मैच जिताना. अगली बार अगर ऐसी कोई अपॉर्चुनिटी आएगी तो मे बी आई कैन डू बेटर. ऐसा था माइंड में.
Was this situation similar to what happened in the World Cup in England? Did you feel that, did that moment come back again?
नहीं, वो वनडे था, ये T20 था. ऐसे मत करो.
But in the end of the day, you feel Rishabh Pant has really grown a few, अगर कह सकूं तो a few white hair.
सफेद बाल.
हाँ जी. एक्सपीरियंस हो गया इस सीरीज का, इनने दिया है आपको.
नहीं, अभी तो काले ही है. अभी तो मैं जवान हूँ.
ठीक है. But this has really kind of made you feel older and more.
I think this made me realize that I'm getting matured with the time. That's the thing.
And what was the first thing you said to your family when they called you after this series win?
मम्मी ने फोन ही नहीं उठाया मेरी यार. मम्मी फोन नहीं उठाती मेरा टाइम पे.
Keeping up, I mean, going into the England series, they've really fought hard and done well against Sri Lanka also right now. And how do you look at them as an opposition, especially when you're playing a series at home?
See, I think they have a very strong team and everyone knows that. But as an Indian team, we believe in ourselves. And we know that if we are playing according to our potential, we'll win the series. And we focus on our processes, what we can do. We don't think about the opposition too much.
Right, done. Take care and all the very best, and God bless.
Thank you.